Previously on The Breathing Canvas.
Modeling silver eyeshadow.
What just happened?
I just need to draw on my highlight and a mustache and then I'm good to go.
Oh, you need work. Alright, my lips have shrunk back to normal size and I got rid of the disease that was inhabiting my...
There's lipstick on my teeth.
Lips are normal size, got rid of the fungus growing on my lips, and now we're going to do them a little bit differently. Before, I was going for more of the gem in the stone where it looks like it's like crystallized and stuff, so there's like different cut edges. That's what I was trying to do with my lips. But that was an atrocity. So I'm going to instead go more towards the smoky marbled raw look. I have a dark burgundy, crimson red, plum red, wine red, mahogany red, maroon red. It's a red. Whatever you want to call it, it's a this shade color. Get off my teeth! First, I'm taking a white cream makeup and I'm smudging that in a few random places to give my lips that splotchy, foggy look that Garnet stones have. With the same white cream, I'm applying it thicker and as thin lines so that we can really see it. You can have a lot of fun with this as marbled stone has a lot of squiggly lines that branch out. Just don't do too much or it's going to look like a fungus is taking root on your lips. Then with a black cream, I am poking my lips to give it a speckled effect, gently blotting it with my finger to blend it in, making it look like it is part of the stone rather than on top of it. Next, I want to give the eyes just a little bit more love and they're kind of just mush. I do want to be marbled, more of a marvelous marbled, you know, so I'm going to go back with the eyeshadow, kind of make the red, burgundy, maroon pop out again, and then maybe we'll add something else to it. I'm applying more eye primer to create a new layer, adding more eyeshadow to make it more distinct and saturated, and it looks exactly the same as before. So this seems to be too much of a dark, plummy, maroon, red, wine thing. I have a sparkly, oh look more modeling, a red eyeshadow that I might want to use as an undertone or above tone. Overtone? That's a word. I'm just afraid it's gonna be like my eyes are bleeding red, but let's try it, shall we? Success! Ooh, I can make it fade from the in to the out. Oh, we get knots in there. I just really need the lid to
Pop. Because we like it to pop. Like soda, we like it to pop.
Don't look at me like that. You chose to watch this video. I think because I have the dark maroon, burgundy, mahogany color already on, even though I am covering with an eye primer, it is still the undertone, so this red doesn't come out as too vibrant, so win! It's winning. It's good. It's yes. This is gorgeous. I like this. I like this a lot. It is popping out without being obnoxious, like me. And although good, this black crease isn't enough. We need to be more dramatic. We need more and more. I tell you more. Moving on. Once again, I'm going just into the crease with a black eyeshadow, and yes, this seems to be working better. It might be because of the brush. Again, like when I switched over to the brush for my contouring, this packs the powder on better. A bit of silver highlighter to highlight the eyebrows, the eyes, and most importantly, the little baby hairs of eyebrows that I wasn't able to tweeze yet because they're impossible to take out. And now I'm thinking of Chinese takeout. Boy, am I hungry. And for some reason, I can't stay centered to the camera. And of course, there is lipstick on my teeth, but you can't see it, but I can. Now for the serious stare, like, oh, I don't even care that 1,000 people are liking my Instagram post, but I'm just so fabulous. Yep, it passes, it works, yay, this is the look! Alright, so this is my Garnet inspired design. You know what to do, click the like, click the subscribe, and I'll see you next time, bye!